so on. Now let's say that my modulating signal m of t is band limited to b or b suffix m. If the way in case of amplitude modulation, we had said that my modulating signal is restricted to fm, and that's how we define the bandwidth as twice fm. Here, I am saying that my modulating signal is restricted to b suffix m. Now, if that is the case, and if you see this expression is not a finite expression. It goes on extending. It is having infinite terms. So if you want to calculate the bandwidth of an angle modulated wave from this expression, obviously the answer is that the bandwidth of an angle modulated wave is going to be infinite. Now we cannot have an infinite bandwidth, and therefore we go for something called as narrowband FM. The condition for narrowband FM is modulus of kFA of t should be much less than 1. What is kf? It is a proportionality constant. What is a of t? It is integral m of alpha d alpha. In short, if I have the modulating signal, it is the integral of my modulating signal. So the product of these two, if the value is such that it is much less than 1, then obviously a square, the value will further reduce. A raised to 3, the value will further reduce. A raised to 4, the value will be still smaller. And hence it is possible for us to approximate this equation. In short, only the first and the second term will exist. Rest all the terms will have quite insignificant value, or the value will be very small, which we can neglect it. And hence we get an expression for Fm, which is a cos omega ct minus kf a of t sin omega ct. If you look at this expression very carefully, the first term is indicating the carrier, the second term is indicating the modulated carrier. It means that it is on the same lines as it was for amplitude modulation. For amplitude modulation also, we had an unmodulated carrier, and a modulated term. So we say that narrowband FM and AM are similar to each other. Now, if the bandwidth of A of t is equal to the bandwidth of the modulating signal M of t, and it is said to be Bm, then we say that the bandwidth of narrowband FM is same as that of the bandwidth of AM. I'll repeat it again. If the value of the product of kf A of t is much less than 1, then the FM is called as narrowband FM. This narrowband FM it is called as narrowband FM because the expression of narrowband FM reduces only to two terms, which is a carrier, and the second term is a modulated carrier. Thus, if the bandwidth of A of t is equal to the bandwidth of M of t, which is Bm, then the bandwidth of narrowband FM is same as that of AM, which is equal to twice Bm. On similar lines, we can say for phase modulation also. If the modulus of kpm of t is much less than 1, then you will get the expression for narrowband phase modulation as a cos omega ct minus kpm of t sin omega ct, and thus the bandwidth of narrowband Tm will be equal to twice Bm. Now, once I say that my bandwidth of narrowband FM is equal to twice Bm, and I know the equation of my narrowband FM, it is easier for me to draw the modulator circuit for narrowband FM. I give the input as my modulating signal to an integrator. The integrator output will give me the value for A of t, that is integral minus infinity to t m of alpha d alpha. I can use a phase shifter, Hilbert transform, for the carrier cos omega ct. So the second input that I am giving is sin omega ct. Use a product modulator over here. You will get A of t sin of t. So the input is A of t sin of t. Amplify it with kf, which is having a small value much less than 1. And at the output have an adder. You will get the equation over here as cos omega ct minus kf a of t sine omega ct. And at the output of the adder, I will have another amplifier having a gain A. So the output of this modulator is nothing but narrowband FM, that is A cos omega ct minus kf A of t sine omega ct. So I am in a position to generate a narrowband FM by using a multiplier, by using a 90-degree phase shifter Hilbert transform, by using an integrator, and by using an adder and two amplifiers. On the same lines, I can generate my narrowband PM.